PR Bari police tracking network intercepted and detained two female Bangladeshi nationals alongside an Indian facilitator in South Tripura district. The PR Bari police have taken all three individuals into formal custody and registered a case under relevant sections of the Foreigner Act and the Indian Penal Code.
The trial was caught while attempting to establish an illegal transit road deep within the PR Bari police station jurisdiction, acting on a tip of a specialized police unit set up a coordinated dragnet near the international border area, leading to the swift apprehension before they could move further inland. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.